Hey guys, Four Man here. I'm gonna do a taste test review on Jack Link's Bacon Jerky Hickory Smoked. This was given to me by Carla Vision, and I want to dedicate it to her. And I'm also gonna do a taste test review on birthday cake pie. Now I've had these type of pies before, but I've never had this. I've never had this certain flavor birthday cake pie before. Um, and of course, I'm gonna drink some coffee with this pie as well. So, anyway, uh, on with the both of these were given to me by Carla Vision. This one and this one. If you're not connected with Carla Vision, I highly recommend checking out her channel because she does nature videos, bird feeder videos, all kinds of different things, taste test videos on her channel, all kinds of different things on her channel. So she's a really sweet person. I really like her channel. Hoping to get to eventually meet her in person one day. But anyway, so I am going to get on with this taste test here. Smells like bacon. Here's what it looks like, guys. Taste test review. Here we go. Mmm. Guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is definitely 10, guys. Thumbs up. It's got a really good bacon flavor, hickory smoke flavor. It is definitely a 10, guys. Now, on with the taste test on this birthday cake pie. Oh, had it upside down. Birthday cake pie here, guys. Going to do a taste test on this. Now, like I said, I've had pies like this in a box before, like apple, cherry, peach, things like that, but I've never had one that is birthday cake flavored before. So, and of course, like I said, I got some coffee to drink with it. Here's the coffee, and this has got Italian sweet cream in the coffee. Like I said many times, I don't hardly ever put creamer, but every once in a while, I'll put creamer in it, especially if the coffee is a little too strong. And this creamer is really good. But anyway, guys, I'm going to do a taste test on this. Here's what it looks like. Taste test, here we go. Mmm. Guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is definitely 10, guys. It's got a really good, birthday cake flavor. And it definitely goes good with coffee. Well, anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get off here. And I want to thank Carla Vision for the Jack Link's thick cut bacon jerky. And for this birthday cake pie. It is really good. Like I said, if you're not connected, please go over there, watch the video all the way through, leave a meaningful comment about the video, and let her know that I sent you. Anyway, guys, I will go ahead and get off here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.